In this video, I'll be talking about how to make money online with Pinterest ideas. Now, when I first started my online journey, the last thing that I would have ever thought about was Pinterest. Now, I knew I wanted to make money online. I knew I didn't want to work a 9-to-5. I knew that you had to get some kind of traffic online. But in my mind, Pinterest was something for stay-at-home moms that wanted to do crafts and fair shows and do different Play-Doh setups. I don't know. I was very unaware of all the potential that Pinterest has for a business owner. And as I continued to learn online marketing, as I continued to grow online, I realized Pinterest is this huge giant of marketing traffic that we can utilize in our business. Now, I don't care if you're a plumber. I don't care if you have an online product. I don't care if you are a consultant, a coach, whatever it is, you can actually use Pinterest as a great way to generate leads online. Now, before I get into that, I want you to reflect with yourself, because if you don't do this, you're never even going to take action. But you need to consider, why do you even want to make money online? Why are you going to actually take action? Because if you don't have a why and you're like, oh, I just want more money, but what do you want more money for? Then you're not even going to do anything with this video. So please reflect on what it is that you're wanting to achieve by getting more money. And then now we can actually go into some of the infrastructure. Now, because of TikTok in the last couple of years, it has literally revolutionized what short form content is. Everyone wanted a piece of the short form content because it just went insane. More people are watching their phones, scrolling than ever. They're like, next, 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 scroll, scroll, getting those dopamine hits. And not only for entertainment, but also, hey, how can I improve my life? I want to get more fit. I want to learn how to do this. I want to learn how to do that. And that's where short form content has really blown up marketing in general. So what other platforms like Pinterest have done is they've come up with ways to siphon or take some of that market share of TikTok. So for example, YouTube has YouTube Shorts, Facebook has Facebook Reels, Pinterest now has Pinterest Ideas. Now, Pinterest Ideas are different than Pinterest Pins. Pinterest Pins used to just be pretty much images where you'd have a headline and maybe a picture, and you can click on that headline, that image, and it will either bring you to a website or a product. And that still you can do, you just need to put out tons of quantity, right? For that to make sense, because Pinterest more than anything still is a search engine. So if you're not using it that way, then you're probably gonna fail. But how you can make money with Pinterest Ideas is using it as a traffic source. Now, I'm literally never going to make a video talking about traffic without the other two, because it's a huge disservice to you. To have an online business, you need 3 things, and I like to call it the escape method. If you're wanting to escape online in the digital world and make money, have an impact, and influence people, you need to have an offer. There's literally no point in you making content. There's no point in you making Pinterest Ideas, sharing your thoughts and videos and things like that on Pinterest if you don't have some kind of product, service, or way to solve someone's problem. So the first thing is either creating your own product, which does take a lot of time and it's kind of hard as a beginner, or you can become affiliated with a product and become an affiliate for different products and services. The reason that that's a huge benefit is because you don't have to create the product, obviously, you don't have to develop it, you don't have to do all the support, and you don't have to ship anything, and you don't have to do any kind of refunds and things like that. So it is really beneficial to simply attach yourself to a business and say, hey, this is a solution to this problem, and I'm going to create content about that. So some examples of a good offer can be a course, an education program, right? If you want to learn how to do web design, you can become an affiliate for a course that teaches that. You can become an affiliate for certain products. Like let's say that you love pickleball and your whole content is about pickleball, which is blowing up right now. You can become an affiliate for a pickleball product and say, hey, like check out this website, use my link below. If you do that, you get a discount or whatever. And anytime someone clicks on that link, you get paid a commission. Now, that's cool that you have an offer. That's great. You need one. And then Pinterest Ideas, and I'll give you some tips about Pinterest Ideas here in a second for how to get traffic. But if you don't have a system that actually works for you 24/7 and that actually gets emails into your business, because an email list is the most important part of your business, you literally don't have a business. So there's the three things: an offer, a system, and then you need traffic. So this is Pinterest Ideas. So down in the linked comment below, you can check it out, get a 30-day trial. Basically, I resolve this problem for you. You need a funnel builder, some way for people to click on a button, put in their email to get a freebie, some kind of value, either if it's a training, some kind of checklist, ebook, whatever it is, in exchange for an email. The reason you need to do this in your business is because first, you're generating a lead that you can contact again and again, because most people don't buy on the first time. So when you are emailing them every so often saying, hey, just a reminder, this really helped me. Hey, just a reminder, this person got this result. All this can be done through email marketing. And if you don't have an email list, like I said, you don't even have a business. So I don't care what anyone else says. If they say that I'm wrong, I honestly don't care. I've talked to so many people, thousands and thousands of entrepreneurs. And by this time, it's like, there's just a lot of false information when it comes to that. Once you have their email list, you're able to promote other products. People can know, like, and trust you. They can actually, fall in love with who you are. Sometimes I meet some of the people that I watch all their content and I literally feel like I know them, and it's probably weird for them, but I'm like, yeah, dude, you know this family, you live here, like this has been your experience. And they're like, wow, but I learned all of that from content. I learned all of that from their emails and from their reflections and from the products that they say, hey, this has really helped me, it can help you. So you need an opt-in page, you need some form of way to collect emails, and you can have automated email sequences. Now with that all out of the way, so your offer, your system, now we can talk about Pinterest Ideas. Pinterest Ideas is awesome because it's basically short form content of TikTok, but for Pinterest. And so remember, always keep in mind, this is a huge tip for Pinterest Ideas, to keep the search inquiry in mind, which means it needs to be like how to do X. It needs to be how to do this, how to fix that. It needs to be a search related question, because people are searching these different questions and your video content will pop up and actually rank on Google and Pinterest for these keywords. So it needs to be keyword centric. And so that's a big tip for Pinterest Ideas. But honestly, if you've never made a Pinterest idea before, it's just a simple video. You can take your phone out and you can just say, if you've ever wanted to learn how to put your baby to sleep as a new parent, you need to check out this baby monitor. Okay, that's just one simple idea. But making short form content, either giving value, teaching something, or providing a solution in a quick way to get a quick win for somebody, will get you a lot of good results. Okay, and you want to use trending sounds if you can. You can just simply point to things with text bubbles. You can be creative with this. And my biggest advice with Pinterest Ideas and short form content in general is just freaking start. Like, people are overthinking. Like, whenever I first started, I did 700 TikTok videos and they weren't even very good, the first 200, because I'm just trying and practicing, right? Humble yourself a little bit and bring down the pride and actually just start for yourself, right? These are things that can change your life. You need to actually try. And just like anything, right? You're not gonna hit home runs like Babe Ruth right out of the gate if you're learning how to play baseball. You need to practice. You need to swing. You need to go to the batting cages. The same thing with traffic sources. Show up, try to improve 1% every time with your traffic, and do call to actions to your systems, right? The system is your link that goes to an opt-in page, that goes to some kind of sales page that solves a problem. When someone purchases through that link, you will get paid. That's how you make money, okay? Please, just follow the system, the three things, the escape method, right? Offer, system, traffic. Pinterest Ideas is an awesome way to get traffic. Now, hopefully you've learned something. If you have questions, let me know down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and get the 30-day trial to my software Endeavor. I know it's going to blow the water as far as financially, but also it just provides every single option you ever need in your business. And we have tons of trainings in over 200 funnels that you can customize for yourself. And if nothing else, check out these videos, because those are the videos that YouTube thinks you're going to like next. Thanks so much for watching.